Hey guys, welcome to another video with the Justin Sphere. Today I'm going to be unboxing this E16 car case. And you are going to see it because I decided to make a video about it. So let's get started. First, we have the treasure hunt, which is the mod rod. You can see that by the treasure hunt symbol under there. And then we have the Rolling Solo, which is not a very good new for 2023, but it's still new for 2023. And next we have this 1970 Dodge Hemi Challenger, which is a very cool car. Next we have the GMC Hummer, which was from last year. It's number 3 out of 10 in the HW Hot Trucks. And next we have the Audi RS e-tron GT from HW Green Speed, number 6 out of 10. Just like it was last year. Next we have a really good car called the DMC DeLorean, which is one of the best cars of the case, which is from the HWA set, number 8 out of 10. Next we have the Lotus Emira, which is a nice red car from number 3 out of 5 of the factory fresh set. And next we have the Mock It Go, which is another terrible fantasy from the HW Track Champs, number 4 out of 5. And then next we have the 1988 Mazda Cosmo Sport, which would usually be the Super Treasure Hunt, but is not in the case I got. And then we got the Automobili Pininfarina Battista, which is a really cool recolor of it from HW Green Speed, number 5 out of 10. And then we got the El Segundo Coupe, new for 2023, number 4 out of 5 of the Dream Garage set. And then we also have an A6 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock, number 4 out of 10 of the HW Drag Strip, and it is a very cool car. Next, we got the new Batmobile from the E-Case, number 3 out of 5 of the Batman set. And then we got one of my favorite fantasies of the year, the Ice Shredder, which is HW Sports 4 out of 5. Next we have the 18 Copo Camaro SS, which is from the HW Drag Strip set in number 3 out of 10. And then the last one we have the 15 Mazda MX-5 Miata, which is a really good car from the HW Modified set, number 5 out of 5. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to smash that like and subscribe button for more unboxings in the future.